In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail link in Canva. If you've ever wanted to create a design in Canva and include a link that directly opens an email draft to your Gmail, you're in the right place. This quick and straightforward tutorial will guide you through the process in just about 5 minutes. First, let's get started by opening your Canva account and choosing the design you'd like to work on. If you haven't already done so, select the project where you want to add this email link. Once you're there, look for the text option on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on text will give you a wide range of options, including predefined text styles and sizes. Feel free to browse and see what fits your design best. Now that you've navigated to the text section, search for the Add a Text Box button. This will allow you to add a custom text box onto your design canvas. Click it, and a text box will appear on your project. At this point, you can start typing. This text could be anything from email us to contact for more information. It helps to keep it clear and direct so your audience knows what to expect when they click it. The next step is to rename your text visibly, indicating that clicking this text will initiate sending an email. Simply highlight the text you've just typed, hover over it, and click and drag your cursor across it until you've covered all the desired text. Highlighting is essential because it lets Canva know which part of your design you're looking to edit further. Once the text is highlighted, you'll find a little chain link icon usually located in the top toolbar. This is the link icon, and by clicking it you're taking the next step toward adding functionality to your text. A box will pop up prompting you to enter the link. Here's where you type the specialized email link. In the box, enter mail to followed by your email address. For instance, if your email is example@gmail.com, you would type mail to example@gmail.com. This simple trick tells the browser to open the user's email application when the link is clicked, and it populates the to field with your email address, streamlining the process for whoever wants to contact you directly. Once your email is entered correctly, click the Done button to save your changes. This action will finalize the process, and your email address is now linked to the highlighted text in your Canva design. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a Gmail link to your design in Canva. Play around and adjust your text style to make sure it's noticeable and engaging. This interactive feature can be a great addition to invitations, online flyers, or even marketing materials, making it easy for viewers to reach out to you directly. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.